Giving a thumbs up to thumbs up. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a very popular English expression, thumbs up. This simple gesture has a rich history and a universally positive meaning in many cultures. Let's explore its origins, meanings, and how to use it in our daily conversations. Thumbs up is both a physical gesture and a verbal expression. The physical gesture involves extending your thumb upwards while the other fingers are curled into a fist. As a verbal expression, it's used to convey approval, agreement, or encouragement. For example, did you like the movie? Yes, I give it a thumbs up. Can you help me with this task? Thumbs up, I'm on it. The thumbs up gesture has a long history. Some believe it originated from ancient Roman gladiatorial contests. Emperors would use the thumb's direction to signal the fate of a defeated gladiator. Although historical accuracy about the exact gestures in Rome is debated, it's fascinating to think that such a gesture has roots from ancient times. Over the years, the thumbs up gesture came to symbolize approval and positivity in many cultures, and it became widely recognized, especially with the advent of movies, media, and later, social media platforms. In today's digital age, thumbs up isn't just a gesture or a phrase. It's an icon on many social media platforms, representing likes or approval. If you enjoy a post on Facebook, you might click the thumbs up icon to like it. Furthermore, the phrase has expanded its reach into various domains: music and movies, song titles, movie scenes, or character dialogues. Business: thumbs up on that presentation. It was brilliant. Casual conversations: I finished my tasks for the day. Thumbs up. While thumbs up is positive in many cultures, it's essential to be aware that gestures can have different meanings in various cultures. In some places, the thumbs up gesture may not be received positively or might even be considered rude. So, always ensure you're aware of cultural contexts when using gestures in different countries. That's a wrap on thumbs up. Whether you're giving someone a literal thumbs up or using the phrase to show your approval, this gesture and expression is a versatile and positive way to communicate in English. We hope this video illuminated its meanings and uses for you. Stay curious, and keep learning.